Hello, good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the first block. Okay. Last time we have already discussed, I have already done a session with this topic, but still I want to do a revision. Okay. So today I am teaching you large numbers up to 8 digit. Okay. And today in this video I will be covering lesson 1 and lesson 2, and lesson 3 and lesson 4 will be in the next video. Okay, so let us discuss, children, today. Okay, so today I am discussing about Indian and international system, which is lesson 1. Okay, so just imagine, children, let me give you an example of a number. Okay, so since we are discussing about number system up to 8, so let me write a 8 digit number. Okay, so let that 8 digit number be this one. So 741234567 8. Okay, so this is the number which I have chosen. Okay, so this is the number which I have chose. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So these are the this example, or this number is actually the 8 number system. Okay, so just imagine, how will a American, okay, if there's an American, how will he call this number, or how will be he naming this number? Okay, so we already know in our previous classes how to name a number in an Indian number system. Okay, so let us do a quick recap. Okay, so let me write the same number over here in Indian number system. So 7 4 3 6 8 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so in an Indian number system, okay, so what actually we do is we keep comma in this way. First, the first three numbers will be kept separately. Then after that we follow 2 digit system. Okay, then we give comma like this after every two numbers. Okay, understanding? But in case of international number system, we write the same number like this. Okay, we write the same number like this, but we give commas after every three numbers. Okay, we give number commas after every three numbers. So you have to make that, you have to understand this. Okay, children, this is very simple, not that hard. Okay, now in Indian number system we have learned that the first number is actually known as ones. Okay, or the first digit is known as ones. Then this will be your tens, isn't it? This will be your tens, and this will be your hundreds. Okay, this will be your thousand, isn't it? This will be your thousands, and this will be your 10,000s. Okay, this will be your lakh. Okay, this will be your 10 lakh. Okay, this will be your 10 lakhs. Okay, this will be your 10 lakhs, and this will be your crores, isn't it, children? This will be your crores. Okay, so this was your Indian number system, which you already knew in your previous class, which is in your class 5, isn't it? So today let us learn how we name the same number in a international number system. Okay, so let us see what is the first number called as. So this will be called as ones only. This will be called as hundreds only, nothing changed over here yet. Okay, this will be hundreds. This will be your sorry, this will be tens. I mean, sorry, this will be tens. Okay, this will be tens. Sorry, children, this will be your hundreds only. Okay, so this will be your hundreds only, and this will be your thousand. Okay, this will be your thousand. Till now nothing has been changed. Okay, thousands, and this will be your 10,000. Okay, this will be your 10,000. Okay, yet not no change. Okay, 10,000s, but instead of calling this as lakh, we will call this as 100,000. Okay, what we will call this? We will call this 100,000. Okay, we will call this 100,000, and this will be called as your 1 million. Okay, or you can say million also, millions. This will be called as millions. Okay, and this will be called as 10 millions. Okay, 10 millions. This will be called as 10 millions. Okay, children, very simple, not that hard. Okay, not that tough to understand. Okay, very simple. Okay, so this is how we actually have to, or we call each of the digits in the Indian number system and each of the digits in international number system. Okay, children, so now let me teach you. Okay, how will I name this? Okay, so I have very little space over here, so still let me uh, consider. Okay, now let me write the name of this number. Okay, so how will I write this number's name? Okay, so let me write the number's name. Okay, I'm using a different ink right now. So let me write the name of this number. Okay, so this will be, see, 7. So this will be 7 crores. 7 crores. Okay, 7 crores. 4, this is 10. Okay, so you have to say this is 43, because this has to be called together. Like, since this is coming under the same bracket, so you have to call it like that only. Okay, so if it is separated by bracket, you have to leave it as it is only, but when it is between the bracket, you have to say 43 and it is lakhs. Okay, so this will be 43 lakhs. This will be 43 lakhs, and this is again in bracket, and this comes under 1000, so you have to say 68,000. Okay, you have to call this as what? 68,000. Okay, 68,000 and this is coming again in a same after the comma, it is all together, so you have to say 789. Okay, so you have to say this as 789. Okay, so 789. Okay, so I don't have any space right now, so 89. Okay, children, very simple, isn't it? So this is in the Indian number. This is how we have to name it in the Indian number system. Okay, understanding, child? Understanding, children? So this is how we have to name. So this will be 7 crores 43 lakhs 789. Okay, so I want you all people to copy this in your copy. Okay, so let me now discuss about international system. Okay, so for international system also, let me write it very quick how we'll be naming this number. Okay, so after I name this, what you do is I'll give you some time to copy this. Okay, so you can copy. Okay, now how we will call this? Okay, so see here, this is 10 million. Okay, so we will call this together, and since this is in bracket, since this number is actually separated by comma, so you have to call this together only. So you will say this 74 million. Okay, so you will say this 74 million. Okay, 368,000. So this is again in the same bracket, so you have to call this together. Okay, you have to say 368,000. Okay, you have to call this word 300. You have to call this 368,000. 368,000. 368,000 all together, since it is separated by comma. So again, this thing is separated by comma, so you have to call this as 789. Okay, so this will be 789. Okay, 789. So very simple, children. So that is the difference between Indian and international system. Okay, so in international system, we say again same rule, whatever we followed over here. after every bracket we have to consider the number. So say, since in here these are the two numbers together after the bracket, so you will say this 74, and since this lies in million, so you will say 74 million. Then again after after comma there is three numbers, so you have to call this together. So usually what you will call this, you will call this as 368, so call it 368 only, just put 1000 after it. Okay, so this will be 368. Oh, I have missed, it should be 1000. Okay children, it should be 1000. Okay, so 368,000. Okay, so 368,000, I have missed a space over here, so let me recorrect this. So this should be actually 8,000. Okay, so this should have been 1000. Okay, so and 368,000 and put comma, and this should have been 789. So the way we call this, okay, how we will call this, we will call this as 789. So let us call this 789. Okay, so let me write 7, so 789. Okay, so very simple. Now that okay children, so so what you do is, whatever I have written over here, you have to copy as it is. So since I have written like this, so it's not like that you have to write like this only. You write this just below what after you make this, you write this number or this words, like the whatever is being written over here, you just copy just below it like this. Okay, and this also you copy just below this. Okay, since I didn't had space, so that's why I had to write over here, but what you do is you write it over here. Okay, so that will be your work and your classwork. Okay, so as soon as you complete this, okay, as soon as you complete this, your classwork will be to do question number 1, 2 and 3 and 4 also. Okay, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 from page number 5 of your block 1. Okay, you have to do page number from page number 5, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 as your classwork, and you have to send me, okay, before 5 p.m. Okay, so now I am going to discuss about a new topic, which is your lesson 2. Okay, in lesson 2 we will be discussing about expanded form. Okay children, so please copy this and do the classwork from question number 1 to question number 4 from page number 5 of your maths book. Okay children. Okay, now children, we are going to discuss about the lesson 2, which is expanded form. Okay, so if you can see, I have given an example. Okay, I have written 4 4 4 4 4. Okay, and I have written something over here. Okay, so we will discuss about this soon. Okay, so I think so you have all seen check. Okay, bank checks. Okay, so if you have not seen, you can see here. Okay, so this is a bank check. Okay, if you can see, so this is my mother's bank check. Okay, so this is actually my mother's name, Saroja Thatal. Okay, so if you can see here, I have given a figure. I have given a figure of 8 digit, and see, I have named it also. If you can see, this is 3 crores 82 lakhs. Okay, 59,617. Okay, if you have seen. Okay child, so this is how a check looks. Okay, and this is the 8 digit number. Okay, so actually if I really expand this number, okay, the number which is written over here, okay, how much money this, or how will I expand this, or how much money this actually has, if I want to know. Okay, or how much big is this number. Okay, if I want to really expand, what I will do is, we will learn about our expanded form. Okay children, we will learn about expanded form. So if you want to have a look again, you can look. So this is how a check usually looks. Okay child. Okay, so this is a State Bank of India check. Okay, so this kind of numbers, or the money which you want to extract, you can write it over here. Okay, so this is how they put. Okay, you have to put the date and all. Okay children, so this is very like day to day, how do we use number and its expanded form is the example is in front of you. This is your State Bank's check. Okay, children. Now, so let us discuss about this. Okay, so and we will also discuss how much money exactly which I have inscribed in that check is actually big as. Okay, so first let us discuss an example which is a bit smaller. Okay, like 44444. That means there are 5-digit numbers. Okay, so as you know, the first 4 will be 4 ones. Okay, then the second digit will be 4 tens, means 4 into 10. The third digit will be 4 hundreds, means 4 into 100, and 4 thousands will be 4 into 1000, and 4 10,000 will be 4 into 10,000. So exactly 44444 was actually 4 into 10,000 plus 4 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus our 4. So when you will add all this, it will be equal to the digit which is over here. Okay. Now excuse me. Now let us discuss about the number which I have given in the check. Okay, so let me write the number which is given in the check, which is 382,59617. Okay, so I have given comma like this. Okay, and if you want to check again, you can see the number is matching with that number. Okay, can you see, children? The number is kind of matching. So now let us see how much this actually will be. Okay, so for that what I have to do is I have to write this 3. Okay, and then I have to write into, then I have to write 1, and I have to count after 3 how many numbers are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 numbers are there, so I have to keep 7 zeros after it. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Very simple, isn't it, children? Then write plus, then write the second digit which is 8, and count how many numbers are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So write 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, then write plus, then again write 2. So 2 into your, after 2 how many digits are there? 5 digits. So write 5 digits. Okay, 1 2 5 zeros after 1. 1 2 3 4 5. Then put plus again. Then write your 5. Okay, so after 5 how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 digits. So write 1, then 4 digits, 4 zeros after it. Then write plus 9 into, write 1, and after 9 how many digits are there? 1 2 3. So you put 3 zeros. Okay, then put plus again, then write 6, then into 1, and after 6 how many digits are there? 2 digits. So you write 2 zeros plus 1, you have to write into 1, and after 1 how many digits? 1 0. One digit, so you have to write 1 0, plus 7 is there, so directly write 7. Okay, so the last digit remains always same. So children, if you can see, this was exactly the number which this number could be. Okay, so this is the expanded form. That means in 3 crores 82 lakh 59,617 there is this many numbers actually. That means there is 3 crores. So this is actually crores. Okay, then 3 times 1 crore plus 8 times your 10 lakh. Okay, and 2 times 1 lakh plus 5 times 10,000 plus 9 times 1000 plus 6 times 100 and 1 times 10 plus 7. Okay, that means you have to have 3 times 1 crore rupees, 8 times 10 lakh rupees, 2 times 1 lakh rupees, 5 times 10,000 rupees, 9 times 1000 rupees, 6 times 100 rupees, and 1 times 10 rupees and 7 rupees. All together if you add them, that will result into the money which is over here. Okay, which we have written in this thing. Okay, so that means this is how we expand any number. Okay children, I have given a small example, then again a big example which is in the check. Okay, so this is how we expand any number. Okay, so children, now as we have discussed about expanded form, okay, so your classwork, okay, from this lesson will be to do question number 6, and you have to do question number 6. Okay, just question number 6 you have to do. Okay, from lesson number 2. Okay, so from lesson number 2 you have to do just question number 6 as your classwork. Okay children, will be your classwork. Okay, now let us discuss more further. Okay, let me teach you what is now there's another topic. Let me teach you another topic, which is your place value and phase value. Okay, so I guess you have all noted this, so I want everyone to note this in your note copy. Okay, school copy. So let me rub. Okay, now the next concept which I am discussing is your place value and your phase value. Okay, place value and phase value. Okay children, so now what is place value and phase value? Place value and place value and phase value. Okay, very simple children. Okay, now for example, if I say if I write a question, okay, let me explain through question only, you will easily understand it. Okay, so if I say write the place value and phase value of 7 in 6, 7, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 8. Okay, there are 8. This is actually 8-digit number. Okay, so now how will I name this? Okay children, now so 7, this is 7 actually. Okay, so I am actually asking you what is the place value and phase value of question number of 7 in this number. Okay, so very simple, what you have to do is, if you want to write the place value, okay, just write place value like this. Okay, this is how you should write in the answer. Okay, so place value of 7 will be ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, so you just have to write 10 lakhs. Okay, it will be just 10 lakhs. Okay, you just have to write directly 10 lakhs. Then after that, when you write the phase value, okay, when you write the phase value, write 7. Okay, and put multiply and 1, and after 7 how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you write 6 zeros after it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So this is your phase value. Okay, that means place value is just written based on what is the place name of the number. Okay, and in the phase value you write the exact value of that number. Okay, so 7 into this. Okay, so if you can see, this is actually 70 lakhs. Okay, this is 70 lakhs. So 7 into this much is actually 70 lakhs. Okay children, so this is what actually I wanted to discuss next. Okay, so this is how your lesson number 2 ends. Okay, so your homework will be, okay, your homework will be to do question number 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, in your same copy. You don't have to make a separate copy. It will be in the same copy which you were doing classwork. Okay, so I guess most of you know what was classwork. Okay, so let me still write it again. Your classwork will be from question number 1 to 6. Okay, from 1 to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is your classwork which you have to show me today before 5 p.m. and your homework will be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 which you have to show me tomorrow. Okay children, so here I close today. Okay.